this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your in-game chat for Rainbow Six Siege. This also works for Honor and of course Tom Clancy's The Division. I'm going to walk you through step by step. So if you're having this issue, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up when you've reached the end and I've shown you how to fix it. Now let's first show you the problem in Rainbow Six Siege. Let's go. As you can see, chat is restricted due to Xbox communication settings, modify settings. Now this will also be the case if you're playing on a different platform. I'm going to show you how to solve this and why it's happening. So let's remove this restriction on your in-game chat when you're playing your Ubisoft multiplayer games, because this is where the issue is that is restricting you from talking to other players online. You need to find the ubisoft.com official website. You can see the address here, ubisoft.com. Once here, you need to log in to your Ubisoft account. You need the correct email account of your Ubisoft account. Now, if you're connecting to Ubisoft via your Xbox profile or your PlayStation profile, then most likely the email you need to find is the same one you're using for your profile. In the top right-hand corner of the screen, you'll see a profile icon. Click this. This is where you will be able to log into your profile if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you need to scroll down a little bit to where it reads Account Management. Click on Account Management. This will take you into the inside of your Ubisoft account. This is where the issue is. So right here on the left-hand side, there's a few pieces of information that you can access. You need to go to Privacy Center. Click on Privacy Center. From Privacy Center, you can see Data Protection and Social Preferences. Now this is a social interaction, so click on Social Preferences. Scroll down on this page. You can see some profile settings for your Ubisoft account, including text and voice chat. Decide who can text and voice chat with you. So it isn't the game settings, it isn't your platform settings, your Xbox, PlayStation or PC settings, it's your Ubisoft account settings. But watch what happens when I change this setting. I want to change this from friends only to everybody so I can talk with everybody in the game using my headset microphone. Press this and then press save. You will see that you will be asked more. It will say to proceed with this setting value change, you need to verify your identity and whether or not you are an adult in your country. Click on continue to start the verification process. And then it should give you the normal YOTI verification process where you need to verify that you are an adult and you are of age. Now, I'm not going to walk you through that sensitive information. I'm going to do it first, but you should do the same. This is why your in-game chat is restricted at the moment. So once you've successfully gone through your age verification process, this will be on your screen. You successfully verified your identity as an adult in your country. Your text and voice chat setting value has been edited according to your choice. Got it? And just to show you, it's right here. That is the issue of why your chat is restricted when playing Ubisoft multiplayer online games. Okay, so now when you log in, there will be no restrictions and you will be able to continue with your voice chat in the game. If this has solved the problem for you, don't forget to give me that big thumbs up. Comment down below what issues you may have faced along the way so that other people watching and finding this video can also get additional help with things that you might find that I haven't in my explanation, or something that I haven't covered in my explanation. All right, there's a lot more where this came from. Don't forget to subscribe. I like to help you when I have some knowledge like this. So of course, if this is helpful, this is really important for you to subscribe to, because there's more that I want to do with your gaming and help you even more. Hopefully that made sense. All right, so anyway, on screen right now, you should find some additional videos you might find helpful, including one that YouTube thinks that you want to watch or need to watch, and you can see that there. They're pretty good though at YouTube, so, you know, most likely that video you're going to want to watch. Okay, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Observe.